Happy birthday, Bria. We love you. I pray that you grow into a strong, independent woman. And I also pray that you grow loving your family unconditionally and wholeheartedly.
Happy birthday, Bria! Bria, sana lumaki ka na laging masayahin. Tulad ngayon, pagpatuloy mo lang. Galingan lang lagi sa pag-aaral. Ang wish ko sa'yo, Bria, ay maging mabait lang.
Special day be filled with joy, laughter, and lots of fun. Keep on shining, our little star. Happy 7th birthday, Bria. Wish ko sa'yo, sana palagi kang maging masaya, healthy, and maging mabait.
Mommy, Kathy, together with our birthday celebrator, Ria.
I wish you to finish your study with the help of our Almighty God. You grow up a kind lady.